Hi guys. This question is about a motion sensor, or if we can say, or if we can describe it as a motion sensor. Here, guys, we have. Let me, first of all, describe what will happen here. Here we have two beams of light, guys. This this sensor is connected to a timer. Okay. When the first light is cut by the end of the truck here or the engine high model engine, the timer starts. When the same end cuts the second light beam, the timer stops. It works as a light gate or motion sensor. Okay. In this way, guys, we will record the time between these two light beams, right? Okay, the time between these two light beams. Accordingly, I can find the speed, because speed equals distance over time. The distance between the two beams is 12 millimeter. Don't forget this. And I have to multiply it by 10 to the power minus 3. Over time, that will be recorded. Now we are given that here the beam are 12 millimeter apart. The second beam is broken after 0.08 seconds. So here the time is 0.080. Okay, so we can find the speed. Listen to this very carefully. Here we can find the speed at this moment, right? At this moment when it cuts when the model engine cuts the light beams. Hello, let's go back to the question. Here model projects a jet of water forward. The force meter holds the model stationary is 0.060 newtons acting on the model. Here we are given what the acceleration after disconnecting the force meter. The model was stationary here. Okay, the model was stationary. Initial speed was 0, right? The initial speed was 0. Well, acceleration is given 0.030 meters per second. When the model is released, it starts from 0 here. Then it will move to cut the light beams. So we can find the final velocity here. This speed is the final speed or final velocity when the model fire engine cuts the light beams. This final velocity is, I can find that, 0.15. So the initial speed, this is v, initial speed is 0. When it cuts the when it cuts the beam light or light beams, the speed becomes, or the speed will be 0.15. Acceleration is given as 0.030 meters per second. And we are asked to find what the student times the stopwatch, how long it takes from release until it cuts the beams. Okay, until it cuts the beams. So we need the time. I can use this equation, v minus u over t. A is 0.030 equals 0.15 minus 0 over time, which is unknown. 5 seconds. Okay.